Hello students, welcome back. Take out your treasure trove books, open chapter 6, page number 77, and student even take out the pencils to underline the difficult words. As you read, go on underlining the difficult words. Page number 77, 78, and 79. Student, we have read earlier that a woman had died, leaving behind three children, two girls and one boy. And one of the girl, the youngest one was bedridden. The villagers were now concerned about the children. They could not leave the children alone to starve. They have to do something about the children. They would no longer be concerned about the woman because she will go underground. Farmer Jones, he talked with his wife and decided to take in John and Mrs. Alice. She was looking for a maid and she decided that it will be a charitable that she adopts Katie because she was a bright child. She could be trained well and she will prove useful to her, even not at the present time, but after several years. But no one, not even a single villager, said that they wanted to adopt Maggie because she was a bedridden child, and no one wanted to adopt a bedridden child. The mothers of the village, the women of the village, they brought the old clothes and changed the old and torn and dirty clothes of Maggie and dressed her up in a fresh attire. But still, even though they were touched by her eyes, the sad eyes and patient face, but still no one wanted to adopt her. One of the men of the village said that why is that she has to be sent to the poor house, and one of the men pointed out that for the sick and helpless child it is not a good place. Then one of the men pointed out that it might not be a good place for their children, but for this unlucky child, it will be a blessing because there she will be kept clean, she will get food to eat, and she will even get a medical aid. So all of them, after the coffin was taken to the graveyard, all the villagers hurriedly moved out of the hut as Joe Thompson, the wheelwright of the village, went out of the hut. He just asked the blacksmith wife that it is a cruel thing that the child is left alone like this. Then the blacksmith wife pointed out to him that then he must take the child to the poorhouse because it is only there where she will be kept. No one will be ready to adopt her. Page number 79, second paragraph. Joe Thompson stood there confused for a while and then he turned around and went back inside the hovel, and what he saw that Maggie, with a very painful effort, she has made herself sit straight on the bed and she was looking at the door. And as he entered, she said that please don't leave me alone here. And Joe Thompson, by looking at him, he seemed like a rough person, but he was having a very soft heart. He had very soft feeling, tender feeling for the children. And whenever the children of the village came to his shop to repair the for mending of the sleds and wagons, he never took a money from them. And he assured Maggie that she will not be left alone. And he wrapped her in the bedclothes, children, the bedclothes which has been brought by the woman of the village. He wrapped her in a very gentle way, like a woman, and just lifted her in his strong arms and carried her into the air and across the field, which was between his home and the hut. Joe Thompson knew that what type of welcome he is going to receive from his wife. What type of welcome means that his wife will not be happy to see Maggie with him. Joe Thompson's wife was a woman who was not of a saintly temper, means that she was ill-tempered, irritable, and selfish woman. And why she was this? Because she was having no child. And she said to Joe Thompson, as she saw that he has brought the child, she just said to him that why he had not left Maggie at the poorhouse, why he has brought the child to this home. He said to her that he will go and meet the guardian afterwards and then he will just leave the Maggie over there. And then Joe Thompson pointed out to his wife, said to his wife that many times he has read in Bible that the people who take care of children, they are not left unrewarded by God. He even said to his wife that just think about the condition of this poor child, the motherless child. She's all alone, without mother, to be alone throughout the life. Just think about that and just make her comfortable and be kind to her for a single night. And Joe Thompson could sense that his words had effect on Mrs. Joe Thompson, and her heart has softened a little. There was a change. She was feeling something for the child. She has become little kinder toward the child. And after saying this, he goes away to his work. And after the sunset, when he returns, what he sees that a room in which Maggie has been kept, there was a light. And when he looks inside the window, what he sees that his wife was sitting beside Maggie and she was talking with Maggie. It seems like that she was asking something to Maggie and Maggie was answering. And he felt little relieved that his wife was taking care of the child. So when he comes back from his work, he goes to see Maggie and they talk for a while. And while having supper, Mrs. Thompson asks her husband what he's going to do with the child. And in answer to this, Joe tells her that she will go to the poorhouse tomorrow. Now, Mrs. Thompson doesn't say anything, but Joe could sense that knows that years of bitterness has finally started fading away and it has been replaced by the love and care and tender feeling for the child. And as soon and afterwards, whenever he brought up the topic of taking the child away to the poorhouse, she used to say that she will go herself to stay at the poorhouse if the child is taken away from her. So, in this way, the bitterness of Mrs. Joe Thompson was replaced by love and kindness, and Maggie proves to be an angel in disguise, which the darkness of the house was replaced by the light of love. Student, we have come to the end of this lesson. So please go on reading the lesson and do the question answers of the workbook. Student, remember that the word from the lessons are going to be written as answers. Do not copy from the internet. Write your own answers. Thank you.